Hi, this week we've been exploring perspectives, and today I'd like to share part of my math journey that revealed fresh perspectives at every turn. I first took Calculus 1 and 2 as a senior in high school with Mr. Helvig. It was a blast. The topic was completely new, and I found it fascinating. Then I took Calculus again in college because I was not convinced that I understood it well enough. My professor was Dr. Bruja. He was brilliant and honestly a little intimidating. And just when I thought I understood a topic, he would challenge me with a more difficult problem that forced me to see it differently. Then later, I tutored students in calculus, and I was excited to share what I'd learned with others. But explaining ideas to others revealed details and connections I had never noticed before. In many ways, I probably learned more than they did. Okay, after college, I began taking actuarial exams, and the first exam covered the same Calculus 1 and 2 topics. And once again, I thought I knew the material. But when I looked at the sample problems, it felt like a foreign language. How could the same subject suddenly become so much deeper? And even over the years, I used calculus in actuarial work, building financial models, and working with more advanced mathematics. And each new application revealed another perspective. And then, more than 20 years after graduating, I began teaching calculus concepts to actuarial students. And once again, my perspective changed. Just like tutoring in college, teaching has opened my eyes to new ways of understanding ideas I thought I already knew. And even as I'm recording this, I look at my bookshelf and see more than 20 calculus books I've collected over the years. And most of the problems from the textbook are still challenging. Now, the point of the story is not that calculus is difficult. It is, but that's not the point. And it's certainly not that I've mastered it. The point is that the same subject has continued to reveal new perspectives. And when I first encountered calculus, I thought I was stepping into a swimming pool. And over time, I discovered it was an ocean. And each time I returned to it, I noticed something I had missed before. A new connection, or a new insight, or maybe a new question. And the deeper I go, the more beauty I find. It has been a bit like looking at a diamond. Turn it slightly and the light reflects in an entirely different way. Now, all this reminds me that the longer we stay with something, the more there is to discover. So here's a question for you. Is there a person or an idea or maybe a passion in your life that deserves a deeper look? Something that maybe you have only scratched the surface of. Hope to see you tomorrow.